Alright, tell me what the plan is tonight.
Taking a bath.
A quick one or a long one?
And never go in the night.
Why are we doing that?
Never wake up for school. That's the plan.
Yeah, are you excited for school?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I'm not going to be grouchy anymore.
You're not going to be grouchy anymore?
Nope, I'm going to be good.
You're going to be good?
Yep.
How come? What made you decide you're not going to be grouchy anymore?
Mommy's not going to pick me up, only Daddy.
Because you're going to be not grouchy because Daddy's picking you up?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's nice. You love your daddy?
I'm not going to be grouchy with Daddy talk for a song.
You guys like school?
Yeah, I'm not going to be. Look,
Did you guys
I
have a
made
good
Ma
4th of July?
I made a Mario show.
Maddie, get away.
Kyle, come here. I want to see your show.
Careful, Justin.
Oh, man, that's pretty cool.
Watch this.
Whoa. Kyle, you've got some skills with those things.
You videotaping this?
Mm-hmm.